Hello there. In today's video, we're going to talk about the current situation of Jesse Lingard in the Man United club. Jesse Lingard will reportedly go up against United's wishes and see out his contract until the summer, while Cristiano Ronaldo and Bruno Fernandes are both up for the main forward. There's a lingering feeling of uncertainty in the current Premier League at the moment, especially regarding the performance of Jesse Lingard. And especially and also regarding the matches, because matches are being cancelled, and the match against Brentford, it still is hanging in uncertainty in the current situation because of the breaking, because of the pandemic and because of the health crisis. So making it two matches in the quick succession that have had to be pushed back in English football top flight. Tottenham versus Brighton was postponed on Sunday for the same reason. However, United will need to keep looking forward and preparing for matches, especially as the festive period represents an ideal chance for the interim boss to get some points on the board quickly. And the issue right now is, should United, look to tie the Lingard to a new deal? Manchester United's English midfielder Jesse Lingard has been, has celebrated, a lot of time with the club. He has scored some great goals, but currently he is absolutely, sad due to the lack of playing time and wants to leave. The England international's contract at the Old Trafford is set to run out at the end of the season, and he's been linked with a cut price mid-campaign movement to various clubs who are interested. Clubs like Newcastle, West Ham. They might be dying to have Lingard in their field. Even clubs like Barcelona. Several clubs want to have Lingard, since they will be able to have him at a cut price. So this is another issue that has risen in the Manchester United campaign right now. The newly rich Newcastle would absolutely love to have Jesse Lingard in their campaign right now. However, it would appear the 28-year-old is ready to fight for a place in the squad under Raniak and then assess his options in the end of the campaign. United are reportedly ready to do a deal for Lingard in January, given the prospect of losing him on a free transfer a few months on. So United want to do a deal with Jesse Lingard because the prospect of losing him on a free budget would be a very big loss. Currently, Portuguese player Cristiano Ronaldo and Bruno Fernandes are the ones who are dominating the squad. They're playing very well, and they have been given priority by the new interim manager. Ronaldo, Bruno, Fred, Greenwood, Sanchez, and also Lingard, because the current coach thinks Lingard deserves one last fighting chance. He deserves it, he should have it, and he should prove that he is a useful player, which I'm sure he is. I've seen his performances against West Ham. I've seen him play for the English international team, and he did, play really, really well. Okay. Fernandes was one of the driving forces behind basically making United finish second last season, contributing almost 18 goals and 12 assists in the English football's top flight, which is no joke, let me tell you. He contributed 18 goals and 12 assists, which is no joke. It's a very, very tough thing to do. So he was one of the players, who was in the run for the top contender. And furthermore, something else that would like to point out is that given his current managing financially ruined by Derby County, Manchester United's icon Wayne Rooney, that's the news you all know basically. That's something you all got to know, very, very newly, and that's all something you guys got to know very, seriously. Wayne Rooney's card has been vandalized as well. So let me tell you something, let me give you my opinion. We need Jesse Lingard. We basically need him. Why do we need him? We need players to perform. And there will be situations where Manchester United basically will be short of players. Jesse Lingard can play both as a midfielder and an attacker. He can play in both these positions very, very well. I've seen Anthony Martial, lose his fight, lose his fire. But I don't think the same for Jesse Lingard. I think Jesse Lingard still has a lot of fire, still has a lot of game, lot of passion left in him. And I think one of the main reasons was Solskjaer's poor management skills regarding the club. He had no idea how to rotate players. I mean, if you keep on playing the same players again and again, they will get tired. I mean, if you have the same players playing on the league, the UEFA, the Europa, and the Champions League, they're gonna get tired. These are human beings. They're not machines. Ronaldo or Fred, they're just one man. You need to push other players to play as well. That is the only way. That is the only possible way. You will be able to go ahead, get some success. And I know Lingard played really well for West Ham. He's regarded literally as a legend over there, and West Ham are dying to get him back. West Ham would almost do anything to get Lingard back. So, and I think he's a good player. So I think Manchester United should give him a chance, and Manchester United still think that Jesse Lingard is an asset, and Jesse Lingard still has some form left in him. And if given the right coaching, the right mentorship, and the right time, he will be able to perform very well. He might even be a keep. For example, remember that goal against Aston Villa? Remember that goal? He was he scored that goal against West Ham. Remember that? He literally scored a winning goal, which was no joke. So I think in this case, Jesse Lingard has a lot more to offer, and which he will show soon. And basically, yeah, that's today's discussion. So what do you think? Should they basically transfer Jesse Lingard, or should they make him stay? As I'm hearing, according to the news, they are planning on to make Jesse Lingard stay with a new contract. They don't want to lose him. They don't want to lose him for free. That's sure. So before his January contract runs out, they're gonna negotiate a new contract with him, and the new manager has promised him game time, provided he gives his heart and soul into the game, which he does. Because we see he's a good player, and because the Ralph Raniak has also had a few words with him. He has motivated Lingard. He has said, he has told Lingard to get up his, playing style, be more aggressive, be more attacking, not to be scared, because that's the ideology of Gegenpressing. Gegenpressing is not only for football. You can apply it to your life as well, Go and attack. Go make a move, press against your fears, and move ahead. So though Lingard might have some insecurities, I'm sure he'll be an asset to the club. And mark my words, if Jesse Lingard is signed with a new contract, he will put in some fantastic performances in the future. I hope that. I'm positive he will, because he has that potential. Trust me, he has it in him. I don't know why he hasn't been able to show it yet, but he does have that in him, and he will show it. Till then, tell me what you think about it. Till then, take care.